pushes there, slides over all the way, and then it's locked into place. So slide it over, and that one pretty much stops there. There you go. Goes over. And 2. Okay. Looks fairly easy. Pull this little blue tab. It's this little blue tab that's in here. It just pulls out, allows it space for you to be able to push the knife in there. We're just gonna open this up. You're gonna want to push this blade all the way in so that it's flushed like that. Push it down. There you go. It looks like there's no space. Pretty easy. Take this USB. It's called IColor250 solution. Okay, installed. So we're going to use this activation code that was on the back of the startup paper. It says new project, open project, recover project. So let's just start a new project and see what happens.